Most real estate content these days tells you everything about a certain place is perfect. I'm not going to do that. I'm Rebecca Williams with Leslie Kane Realty, and I'm a real estate professional and neighborhood expert in East Texas, Hideaway, Lindale, Tyler, Mineola, and all the other towns in between. And after almost 8 years of working in these markets, I'll give you the honest version. The pros and cons of different communities, neighborhoods, cities, and towns, the hidden costs of buying and selling real estate, and what I would tell you if you were a close friend, not just a client. Thinking about buying or selling? You're in exactly the right place. I've got full seminars covering both, plus town by town breakdowns of Hideaway, Lindale, Tyler, and Mineola, property tours so you can see homes before you ever set up a showing, and honest pros and cons videos about neighborhoods everyone's asking about. And if you've come across my channel because you are thinking of moving to the East Texas area and thinking of visiting to see some properties in person or just check out which areas may be the best fit for you and your family, I'd be honored to get to be the one to show you guys around. But just one favor, please reach out as far in advance as you possibly can. My schedule does fill up fast, and I want to be able to give you the time that you deserve. I just recently had 2 people I could not accommodate because they were coming in the next day and my schedule was already booked. I would love the opportunity to be the real estate professional that you end up working with. Call or text me at 903-920-7413, or if you're just starting your East Texas research, stick around. I have tons of videos that you can binge watch. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel to see my weekly videos. And keep in mind that sometimes I do film contrarian takes to what the general real estate industry tends to believe, or there's actually tons of misnomers the general public believes about real estate professionals, and I usually try to set you straight on those too. I videos so you'll know what it's like to live in beautiful East Texas.